Welcome to our video on the energy footprint of UPS systems, part of the Power Management series. We will analyze the consumption, efficiency, and hidden costs for electricians, engineers, and householders. This technical analysis will focus on understanding the energy demands of uninterruptible power supply systems. We are exploring the hidden energy sink, illustrating why uninterruptible power is not without cost. We will look at the continuous energy draw that is often overlooked in total power consumption calculations. There are three primary consumption drivers: internal circuits, which create an idle tax; battery charging, which includes trickle charging and full recharge surges; and efficiency losses from AC to DC conversions. These drivers combine to form the constant energy drain experienced by UPS systems, even during normal operation. UPS topology significantly impacts efficiency. Standby or offline units are highly efficient at 95 to 98% because they remain passive. Online or double conversion units are less efficient at 85 to 92% due to constant power conversion. The design of the UPS dictates the level of continuous energy consumption and protection provided. Comparing daily idle power reveals large differences. A 650 VA standby unit uses 4 to 6 watts. A 1 kVA line interactive unit uses 12 to 18 watts. A 1 kVA online unit consumes 35 to 50 plus watts. These estimates are based on the UPS being idle with fully charged batteries, showing the baseline power required just to maintain readiness. The idle tax reality is that most home UPS units are always on. A 1000 VA line interactive UPS drawing 15 W continuously can add up to 131 kilowatt-hours per year. This represents about 5% of a typical household's appliance energy budget. This continuous drain means energy is used even when the protected device is off, contributing significantly to annual electricity usage. When examining efficiency versus load percentage, a critical insight is that UPS systems are highly inefficient at low loads, specifically below 20%. To maximize efficiency and minimize waste, you should always right-size your UPS unit to avoid the low efficiency zone. Annual operating cost estimates show the difference based on unit rating. A 650 VA standby unit costs about $6.60 annually, while a 2 kVA online unit costs around $78.75, assuming 15 cents per kilowatt-hour. The continuous power draw dramatically increases the estimated annual energy cost for higher capacity and less efficient UPS topologies. To summarize energy consumption, we see an average efficiency loss of 12%, 24/7 constant monitoring, and a base idle draw of approximately 10 watts. These figures highlight the constant background energy demand inherent in keeping a UPS operational. Best practices for efficiency include enabling eco mode for higher efficiency and right-sizing your unit for a 50 to 70% load. Control temperature below 25 degrees Celsius and use smart sockets to shut off peripherals. Implementing these practices can significantly reduce your UPS's energy footprint and prolong battery life. Over a 5-year life cycle, you start with the initial charge, followed by years of constant idle loss, and then face increased consumption due to battery degradation around year 4, leading to replacement. Understanding this energy life cycle is key to managing the total cost of ownership and environmental impact of UPS systems. Thank you for watching this video on optimizing power and protecting your equipment.